Skill number 3 in the reading part: answer stated detailed questions correctly. A stated detailed question asks about one piece of information rather than the passage as a whole. In this kind of questions, the information or the answer is often a restatement to what is given in the passage, which means that the correct answer often expresses the same idea as what is written in the passage. The following chart outlines the key information that you should remember about stated detailed questions. First, how to identify the question. Here are some examples of the questions related to the stated detailed question. According to the passage, it is stated in the passage indicates, or which of the following is true. In the question, which of the following is true, the answers will be 4 answers. 3 of them are false, but 1 of them is true or correct, which is the correct answer. Where to find the answer? The answers to these questions are found in order in the passage. How to answer the question? Pay attention to this part. Here you have the strategy. First, choose a keyword in the question. A keyword in the question. Number 2, skim in the part of the passage for the keyword or idea. Number 3, read the sentence carefully and try to understand the sentence that has the keyword. Number 4, eliminate the definitely wrong answers and choose the best answer from the remaining choices. Look at this example. Williamsburg is a historic city in Virginia situated on a peninsula between 2 rivers. English colony in America was settled at Jamestown. In the beginning of the colony at Williamsburg was named Middle Plantation. Note that underlined words are the keywords in the question. Here you have 3 questions. The first one, according to the passage, Williamsburg is located. The keyword here is Williamsburg, and the answer is D. Number 2, the passage indicates that Jamestown, the keyword in the question here is Jamestown, and according to the information in the passage, the best answer is C, which is a restatement to what is mentioned in the passage. And the third question, the passage states that the name Middle Plantation, the words Middle Plantations are the keywords in the question, and the answer is B, derived from the location of the colony on the peninsula, which is a restatement to what is mentioned in the passage. And here you have the answers to the exercise in your book. The answers: number 1, C, number 2, B, number 3, D, number 4, D, number 5, A, number 6, C, number 7, C, number 8, B, and number 9, D. Thank you very much.